Bruno, can you just explain to us with the register how we open and close it to allow the controlled environment in terms of the hot air, cool air into a room, and then when we go further inside the ventilation to adjust the damper and show our homeowners what a damper is and how to go about doing that?
Well, each one of the register covers you'll be able to adjust it with it opens and closes.
The switch.
Okay. The pipe coming into the register also has what they call a damper, which is just a round disc, and you can open and close it inside there. So obviously the more you close it, the less air is going to come out. The more you open it, the more air that comes out. This is used to adjust the airflow in each one of your rooms in your house, which will allow you to control the comfort level in each room depending on how much you use that particular room.
And then for cleaning, stick the vacuum hose in there, vacuum out any of the dust or debris. You can just open up the damper, stick the hose in as far as it goes to clean that out, put it back, put your vent back on, even wipe down the vent with a damp cloth, vacuum it. And this is something that you do also, again, depends, right, on you have animals.
That's correct.
Kids with little toys, you never know.